Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here. Today I had a special request from Sherry to make an Ankh ring. What you're going to need for this project is 20 or 18 gauge wire. I have my ring mandrel and my tools. To make the flat wire one, I have about a 10 or 12 inch piece of 18 gauge wire, and I'm going to start by just leaving enough for the ring band, maybe a little bit more, and then we're going to bend it down and across and then up. And then we're going to bend this part down, bend this up, down, up again. So I'm going to get my round pliers. You can also use a round form like a pen, and we're going to bring this one around to see how big we want it. If you want it bigger, just put it on a pen or another round form just to make it a little larger there. And then we're going to take this here and bend it up, bring this one down. If you want to make it larger, you can get more spirals in there. Bend it up and get your smaller round pliers just to bring it down. Clip it there. So we're going to flatten it here because I want to put this through the rolling mill. I'm not going to bend it like back on itself. I'm going to just do a little bit of a bend. So I'm going to bring this down, bend this up so it's around the same length from there to there. So we're going to bend this up just to have a little bit of a bend, and then this one, same thing. We're going to just bend it a little bit. We don't want these overlapping because I'm going to send it through the rolling mill. If you don't have a rolling mill, you can hammer it flat. So now you see I've flattened it. It gets a little bit distorted in the rolling mill, but you can adjust it and bring it down. Bring that one in a little bit, and this one we can just bend it so it's more horizontal. So now we're going to get our ring mandrel, hold it on the mandrel, and bring this around. So bring it all the way around, bring it underneath, push it around. Just make this longer if you want to go around twice, but if you just want to go around once, just clip it underneath. Adjust it as you like. And there you have your super funky flattened wire Ankh ring. So this one is going to be 20 gauge wire, and we're just going to start with the shape. So bring that one up and up. Make it as big as you want. Bring that down and bring that one down. Try to get them even on both sides. Bring that one up. This one too, up, and bring that one down, and then up. And then I'm going to get this pen for the round form, bring it around, roll it down if you need it lower, and then take this side and bring it down. And then this one we want to bring it up. So get your round pliers and bring this around. It's going to go right inside like that. So it just looks like that so far. So we could bring this one to the back, around this side, and cross it over here. And I'm going to bring it behind here and just bring it over to one side at the back. This side I'm just going to twist around, clip it, and pinch it so it's flush. Now put it on the ring mandrel and bring it around. Just hold it at the size you want. I'm going to take this one around behind this side, push it in, and bring it around. So you have a little wind on either side, and then you can just bring it up, clip it, pinch it in so it's flush, put it back on the ring mandrel, adjust it as you like, pinch these in a little more if you like, and there you have another style of the Ankh ring. So another way you could finish it is just at the back, bend this straight out. So just hold this, center it, and bend it straight out so the wire goes out to the side. Take a 4mm miracle bead, stick it on there, try to center it, bend it down so it stays centered. Bring this one all the way around one side, flip it around, and bring it over to the other side, cross over the back, bring it over to the other side, and bring it all the way around. So we've secured it on both sides. Here you can clip it, pinch it in so it's flush, put it on the ring mandrel, bring it all the way around. You could go around once or twice if you want it wider. Bring it underneath and around. We're just going to take this end and twist it around to secure it in place. Tug it a little bit there if you need. And then you can go in here and just clip it so it's just flush with the band. Careful not to clip the other wires. Clip it. And then we want to just push this in so it is indeed flush in there. Put it back on the mandrel. Get your tweezer nose pliers and just push it down. It sits out a little bit from the finger, but it's still super cute, and like I said, you could do a couple of rounds of wire for the band. So we'll do one with a bead. So we're going to bend this one straight up, this one too, it out at the sides. You can use a ruler to measure if you want. Bend this up, this one too, down, and that'll form the ring band. And this one will bend down and then up. So now you get the round form, and bring this one around to the front. Make this loop as big as you want. If you want it bigger, you can use the end of the pen. Now if you want to put a bead, take a 4mm miracle bead, stick it on here. We want to center it, hold the bead, and wind the wire around. So we're holding it with our thumb and winding the wire around, all the way around, just to surround the bead. Hold it snugly and wind this one around this side. Clip it so it's flush, pinch it in. Now we'll get our ring mandrel, hold it on there, and bring this one all the way around. Put it at a slightly smaller ring size than you need because it'll bounce back. If you're worried about it opening, you can wind it around here. Otherwise, we can just clip it. You could file the end and then just adjust it so it just sits right in there. And there you have your super cool Ankh ring with a bead in the middle. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out our work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to submit your email, I will send you my free Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.